amazing hosting these little beautiful girls and boys at Rosebud School. It's amazing. Rosebud hosts more than 100 students from both primary, secondary, and even youths that have graduated from university gain a lot from this.
The children, they came in timid, they came in mild, they came in with little expectation. But I'll tell you, nobody wants to go home. It was fun-filled, enticing. It was a remolding. Oh, wow. Their caterpillar became a butterfly. It was a time for them to bring out the best version of themselves. Yes, they did it.
What I enjoyed most is the bonfire night. We did quiz, we did most well-dressed, we did spelling bee. We had lots of fun. We ate shawarma, we ate pizza, we ate puff-puff.
I'm here in Rosebud. I enjoyed all the activities. Thank you.
What I enjoyed most about the leadership conference was the film show night, in which we watched a film titled Recitation. And in that film, I learned that we should be confident, we should be honest, and we should not follow bad friends. Thank you.
I learned about confidence and I learned how to talk in public. And I wish I could come back again next year. Thank you.
So what I enjoy most in this camp is the sports. Like, I wish for us to do more, but it's such a pity we're already going to. So I wish to come back next year.
I enjoyed the quiz competition where I participated and it was fun. I enjoyed the food. Thank you.
We did a lot of exercise. We woke up early for exercise, and our Muswante coach, Bola Joko Owolabi, she taught us a lot of dance, and I really enjoyed the camp. Thank you.
Wow. It has been an exciting moment at Rosebud School, Ibadan. Wow, it has been an exciting moment with the scholars. The scholars have shown themselves to be those that are confident in themselves. They've portrayed themselves to be good students and ambassadors of our great nation, Nigeria. And here in Rosebud School, we are proud to announce to you that these scholars, after this 3 days camp, they are going back, not the same way they came, but as the best version of themselves. Next year is going to be more exciting. We call for everyone from different cities in Nigeria to come attend this program next year.
We had people all the way. Lagos, Ijebu, Abeokuta. Someone came from the Middle Belt. I'm delighted. I'm excited. Don't miss the next one. I can't wait. You can feel it. I can't wait, I tell you. That's the way we rock it at Rosebud. First edition at Rosebud. It was excellent. Over 100 students in attendance, all over different schools for the summit. Will you be there next year? I can't wait to be there.
And the winner of the beta competition for the 2023 Leadership Conference is Goodbye!
Thank you all. Thank you, Cisco. I'm sure next year will be extended to 1 week. I love you, everybody. Parents at home, thank you. We say thank you to you for releasing your children. Till next year, thank you. God bless you.
I'm here to announce to you, it's knocking on the door. Another Leadership Conference 2024. You need to bring your love child. No dull time, 1 week, 16 facilitators at Rosebud School, a field enough to take your love child to explore, deploy, learn, inform, and get informated. Come on back to 2024 April Leadership Conference taking place at Rosebud Schools, Akala, Ibadan. I'll be waiting for you. I'm Dr. Bolaji Kowolabi. Check it out for you.